we hello students, we are starting with the new subject, that is maths. In maths we are going to do geometrical figure you have already done in second and third standard. In second standard you have already learned about the shapes, different shapes, yes, and in third standard you have already learned about the shapes and plus the edges and corners. You basically very well known of what is the edge and corners. Now in this geometrical figure we are going to learn some new things. That is, first one is we are going to learn is angles. What do you mean by angles and where do you find these angles? Yes, so you have seen this image anywhere? Yes, you have seen this image in a garden. This is the slide where you play a lot, and this is your house. So how we can get the angle from this? So you can see this line, yellow line. This makes an angle. Yes, and here also yellow line comes, means there is an angle, and here also near the house there is an angle. You can see these yellow lines which I have placed, that is an angle. What do you mean by angle? Angle means when two lines, means this line and this line join together. When two lines meet, join together, is called as angle. Yes, the sentence is when two line meets to each other. When two lines, this is one line and two line, when two lines meets to each other, that is called angle. Yes, now there are different names of angles. The first name is right angle, second one is acute angle, and third one is obtuse angle. Now how do you get to know that how the angles look like? So I will show you the picture. How does it look? Right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. So this is the right angle, this is the angle of right angle, and this is acute angle, and this is obtuse angle. As you can see, this is the perfect angle, slanting, sleeping and standing line. And this is, you have seen this symbols in your third standard maths chapter, lesser than and bigger than sign. And this is the obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is a very big angle, acute angle is a very small angle, and right angle is a perfect angle. Okay, so now we are going to learn about circles. Circle, you have no, the circle look like this. They have no edges and no corners. So what we are going to learn more about circle, let's see. You can see this image. This is the image of a bangle which girls wear. Yes, and you have seen this bicycle wheel. Boys love to ride the bicycle in holidays. So the bicycle wheel is in a circle shape. And you have seen this cart wheel when you go village in summer vacations. Yes. So this is a cart wheel. It is also in a circle shape. So why we are learning about circle? There is something, that's why I am showing you. So let's see what is there. So we are going to learn about center, radius, diameter, chord. Yes, now I have taken a paper. Okay, you can see this silver color, that is a compass. When you go in a stationery, ask to the shopkeeper that give me a geometry box. He will give you a geometry box. In that there is a compass, and you have to attach your pencil over here. There is a way to attach the pencil. So I have placed that, and I have put my point, this needle point, on the paper, and I have make a circle with the help of a compass. Okay, so I have make a circle in this way, and I have cut it. So then after cutting, I have fold the paper on the half of the side. Half of the side I have fold the paper in this way. This is my circle, and I have fold half of the paper. Okay, so in that half of the paper, when I open it, I have got a line. Yes, then what is the line? What does the mean it? इसका मतलब क्या है? When a line, when a segment meets, when a segment meets to the circle end points. Yes, this is the line, and its and their end points meets to the circle, lies on the circle. वो circle पे आ रहे हैं, yes. So that is the chord. So what is the sentence? A straight line whose end points, a straight line whose end points lies on the circle, is circle को touch हो रहे तो means lies on the circle, is called as a chord. Okay. After opening we have got this, we have know now that what is a chord. एक जो line है, अगर वो सर्कल से टच हुई, उसकी जो एंड पॉइंट सर्कल से टच है, तो वो हो गया हमारा कॉर्ड. अभी मैंने उसे ओपन किया पेपर को, आई हैव ओपन दैट पेपर एंड आई हैव फोल्डेड इन अ proper way. Not I have folded little bit, I have folded perfectly. Yes, when I have opened that circle, I have got the line. I got a line. So what does the sentence says? A line that passes through a center. When I was making this compass, I have put some point, then I have made the circle. So that line is passes through that center. So a line that passes through that center and their endpoints lies on the circle is called as diameter. जब कोई लाइन पास होती है सेंटर से और उसके एंड पॉइंट्स टच हो रहे हैं सर्कल को, उसे हम डायमीटर बोलेंगे. ओके. नाउ आई हैव अगेन folded that paper and I have folded one more time. Yes, when I open that, I can see there is a dot. So that is the center. A center of a circle is the point equidistant from the point of the edge. It is equidistant from all the sides. Okay. When I will, if I have erased all this point, 1, 2, 3, this 3 line, 1, 2, 3, only I have left this line. So what that line is called as a radius. In a simple way, if we can say that it is a half of the diameter. Half of the diameter is called as radius. You can see this. I'll show you. You can see this. If I will erase the here is my point and I have erased this part. So it will look like this. So the half of the radius is half of the diameter is radius.